clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. For your attendance, your invigilator will serve as your attendance. Am I clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Who among you here have a remember what was our lesson last meeting? Anyone? Yes, James?
Our topic yesterday is all about soil layers on Earth.
Very good. Our topic last meeting is all about soil layers on Earth. And what are the layers of soil? Anyone? Yes, Sophia?
Organic layer, topsoil, subsoil, bare material, and bedrock tissue.
Very good, Sophia. The layers of soil are just these three.
Organic layer, topsoil, subsoil, parent material, and bedrock.
Very good. Now, let's have a activity. It's called Picture Puzzle Game. Okay, so now let's play a game. This game is called Picture Puzzle Game. So I will group you into 3 groups, and each group will be given a couple of pictures, and you will going to do is to assemble this one and to identify the body of water. Am I clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Group 1, Daniela, Livia, Group 2, Sophia, James, and Group 3, Nina and Ruby. Group 3, Group 1, and Group 2. You have 3 minutes to assemble that picture. You may now start. Class, you have things here if you need it. Last 1 minute, class.
Wait lang po, teacher. We're done.
Okay. Group 3, you are done. Facing in front. If you are done, facing in front. Okay. Group 1, who is going to present? Daniela. What bodies of water is that?
Rainfall.
Very good. Group 2. Give Group 2 a three clouds. And how about Group 3? Yes, Ninya.
Teacher, the picture shows raining down in the same.
Very good. Group 3. And give Group 3 a three clouds. Good job, class. Now, teacher have a question. What have you observed from our topic, from our activity? What have you observed from our activity that we have done? Anyone? Yes, Daniela?
Teacher, based on our activity picture, it shows different bodies of water.
Very good, Daniela. Daniela said it shows a bodies of water. Second question, class. What are the bodies of water shown in the activity? Yes, Ninya?
It is big, land, lake, and sea.
Very good, Ninya. Give her a nice clap. Very good, class. And what do you think would be your lesson for today? Yes, Kobe?
Teacher, I think it is about bodies of water.
Very good. Kobe, anyone? Yes, very good, Kobe. Any idea from others? Yes, Sophia?
I think the lesson for today, teacher, is all about the bodies of water.
Yes, Sophia. Yes, Daniela? You have answer?
Teacher, the uses of the bodies of water.
Okay, very good, class. Our topic for today is all about uses of water from the different sources. What is our topic again, class?
Uses of water from the different sources.
Very good. So there are three sources of water. First is groundwater, surface water, and fresh water. Well, let's start with groundwater. But before that, let's read our objectives first. Class, please read.
At the end of the lesson, the pupils are expected to identify the different sources of water, explain the use of water from different sources in the context of daily activities, and draw the different sources of water.
Okay. What are the different sources again that I mentioned earlier?
Groundwater,
Surface water, and fresh water. Well, let's start with groundwater. So, class, please read.
refers to any source of water found beneath the soil layer of the earth's surface.
So, groundwater refers to any source of water found beneath the soil layer of the Earth's surface. So, meaning, groundwater is makita siya underground, and it is the soil layer of the Earth's surface. It seeps into the soil or between rocks
Fresh water.
Freshwater gas is found in lakes, rivers, streams, ponds, wetlands, reservoirs, glaciers, and even underground water. All the sources gas is there same, but the surface water is more on surface water, more on salt water. I mean, fresh water is more on rivers, lakes, and groundwater is more on deep water underground. Only 3% of the water on Earth is considered fresh water, with near 30% that's small amount being counted as groundwater. Okay. Pollution decreases the quality of the fresh water. So example of fresh water class, we have
River. Lake. Wetlands. Creek. Pond.
and we have also other sources of water. We have clouds, icebergs, and glaciers. But we are focusing on what are the sources that we are focusing?
Groundwater, surface water, fresh water.
Good class. So there are also the uses of groundwater. So groundwater is a safe source of water and considered the cleanest water because it contains plenty of dissolved minerals which the human needs. So uses of groundwater class is more of irrigation to grow crops for our food. What are the uses of groundwater?
For irrigation to grow crops for our food.
Very good, yeah. Likewise, it is important component in many industrial processes. So groundwater is more on industrial
Processes.
It is source of recharge for lakes, rivers, and wetlands. So next one is uses of
Surface water.
So surface water is the habitat of aquatic plants and animals as well as other marine organisms. What are the uses of surface water?
Habitat of aquatic plants and animals.
Very good. So what are habitats of aquatic animals? What are the aquatic animals? Someone? Fish. Very good. Whale. Anyone?
Turtle.
Very good. There are the aquatic plants and animals, also the corals. So the ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds are habitats of most aquatic plants and animals, which are used mainly for food and medicine. Fresh water. So next one is the uses of
Fresh water.
So fresh water is used for drinking, cleaning, washing, bathing, preparing food, cooking, other household uses. So meaning fresh water is more on household uses.
Yes.
Okay. Fresh water also sustains plant and animal life. It is used to water plants and given to animals to drink. Without water, plants will wither, animals and people will die of thirst. So important that the three different sources are so important to us humans and animals also. Freshwater rivers, lakes, and streams is used for recreation also. And one can go swimming and boating in these places. So we need to
Clean rivers and lakes.
we need to swim our nature our different sources of water. Clean rivers and lakes are also a rich source of streams, crabs, and shellfish. Now, we eat diba?
Yes,
Crabs.
teacher.
Very good. Rivers and lakes is water is the very thing it is still useful. Like Singapore, they are the cleanest water, but they just what they do to the water. They we don't know. The Singapore they what clear?
Yes, teacher.
Before that, let's read our directions first.
Tell the word true if the statement is correct, and false if it is not.
Okay, let's start, class. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher saying, are you ready, class? You say, aye, teacher. Okay. Are you ready, class?
Aye, teacher.
Very good. First, water is used in industries. Last one standing in column 2. Yes, Mia? Okay. Water is used in industries. True or false?
True, teacher.
Yes. Very good. Water is used in industries. It is true. Okay, very good. Give Mia a 3 claps. Okay. Next one. Dirty water can no longer be used. Not first when standing in column 1. Yes, Sophia? Okay. Dirty water can no longer be used. True or false, teacher? Very good. False. Dirty water can also be used. Very good. Give Sophia a 3 claps, class. Water is used to clean our homes. First one standing in column 4. Yes. Water is used to clean our homes.
Yes, excellent, teacher.
Very good. Water is used to clean our homes. It is
True.
4. Humans can survive without water. Last one standing in column 3. Yes, Tina. Humans can survive without water. Very good. It is
False.
and last one. Seawater is home to many aquatic plants like aquatic animals. Last, first one standing in column 1. Yes, Sophia. Seawater is
True, teacher.
very good. Seawater is home to many aquatic animals. It is true. Very good, Sophia. Now, let's go to our group activity. Are you all excited, class?
Yes, teacher.
I can hear you.
Yes, teacher.
Are you ready, class?
Aye, teacher.
Good. Let's go for our group activity. Okay, I will group you into 3 groups and each group will have an assigned activity to do. Am I clear?
Yes, teacher.
Same group. Group 1, Daniela. Group 2, Regis1, Group 2, James, Elizabeth, and Group 3, Toby and Nina. Your directions, Daniela, please read your direction. Take a seat, Daniela.
Read the poem that the teacher provided after considering.
Okay, for Group 2, your direction.
Draw the different sources of water, groundwater, surface water, and fresh water.
Okay, and Group 3, your direction, please read.
Look at the picture that the teacher provided and reflect on the picture by answering the provided questions.
Okay, for Group 1, read a poem. For Group 2, draw. And for Group 3, reflect on this. But before that, we have rules to follow for our activity. Class, please read.
Works quietly.
Second,
Always cooperate with your group.
the
Think and give ideas. Time on task. Keep
and our
your works.
very good, class means water. Okay, and If you agree, more information is presented in knowledge and creativity, 4 points. Teamwork, the members are on task and have defined responsibilities at all times. Group conflicts are managed at all times. Keep very good class. Total of 12 points. You may start now. You have 3 minutes to do the activity. If you have questions, just tell me that.
We're done, teacher.
Okay, good one, you're done. You're done with the face straight in front. You have 1 minute left, class.
Done, teacher.
Okay, the face in front. Last 30 seconds, class. Okay,
Done,
two,
teacher.
then face in front. I want one representative each group class. For group 1, who's the representative? Group 1 is group 1. Daniela. Present your output.
Ready questions. What is the poem all about? It's all about water. How much water do we have here on Earth? 3/4. What are the different surface water? Groundwater, surface water, freshwater.
Very good, group 1. Give group 1 a nice clap.
put traces in the lower portion of your building. So this is an example of groundwater, a deep well, and this uses this irrigation to grow grass or other food. Next is lake, used for washing, cleaning, and bathing. And last is sea, habitat of aquatic plants and animals.
Very good, group two. Give group two a nice clap. Group three, yes, Nana.
Our guide question is describe the picture. The picture is dirty, messy, and polluted. How can we take care of the different sources of water by proper throwing of trash and how can we conserve water by using it the right uses by not abusing the water?
Very good, group three. Group three, a nice clap. For group one, content. The content is very clear and complete and appearance used for professional PowerPoint, presentation, PowerPoint, and teamwork. I see teamwork A, PowerPoint also. So total of 12 points. And for group two, content, PowerPoint also, presentation, PowerPoint also, teamwork, I see teamwork, both of them, so PowerPoint also. A total of
12 points.
and for group three, content, also 4 points, presentation, 4 points, teamwork, I see teamwork, so 4 points also. A total of
12 points.
very good. Class, give yourself a round of applause. Very good, class. So, teacher have a question, but it is a form of game. So we call it cabbage relay. Okay. I have an activity called cabbage relay. So I will form a circle and one student will hold the cabbage paper. This one is our cabbage paper class. And when the teacher says start, you will pass the cabbage paper. And when the teacher says stop, the student will hold the cabbage roll. That one paper in the cabbage and will answer the question. Am I clear?
Yes, teacher.
For that, form a circle class. Let's form a circle. Who wants to hold the cabbage first? Yes, Linda. Okay. You have a sound? You have any songs? No?
Happy birthday,
Okay.
teacher.
We like happy birthdays. We sound that every
Birthday.
birthday. Okay. So let's sing happy birthday. But let's listen always to teacher because I say stop and start. Okay. Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Stop. Okay. Yes, okay. Get one paper and have a
What are the different sources of water? First, teacher, we have groundwater. Availability of spring and well. Surface water, sea and ocean. Then last, teacher, fresh water, like river or lake.
Very good, Obi. So let's start again.
Happy birthday to you.
Stop. Okay.
Can we live without water? Why or why not?
Okay.
My answer teacher is no. Because we need water to survive. Because it helps our bodies work properly. It helps with things like digesting food, keeping our body temperature normal, is also important for plants to grow and for animals to live.
Very good, James. Okay, let's start again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
I didn't say stop.
Sorry, teacher.
You want to answer? It's okay. You go. Get about later.
What are the uses of water in different sources in our daily lives? We use groundwater for irrigation to grow crops for our food. Surface water used as habitat of aquatic plants and animals. Fresh water uses in our houses for cooking, bathing, and washing.
Ako, teacher, mag-answer po. Very good, Via. What I said, let's start again. Okay, very good, Via. So, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Okay.
How can you conserve water? Keeping the tap closed when not in use, check for openings or missing water distribution pipes. Make sure to use collected rainwater for gardening or washing our clothes. Always have a measure of how many buckets of water is wasted in a day and try to reduce.
Very good, and then that. And let's start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Stop. Okay, Sophia.
What have you learned in our lesson for today? I have learned that they are different, but they have different sources of water that we use. Every source has their own uses to our environment, and all we need to do is conserve the water and make it clean away from the pollution.
Very good, class. I see that you have learned our topic for today. You can now sit properly. Very good. Good job, everyone. Now, get one more sheet of paper. Let's read our directions first.
In our sheet of paper, identify the different sources of water by choosing the letter of the correct answer.
Okay, get one sheet of paper, class.
Nana, teacher.
Very good. First question. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Second question.
Done, teacher.
Third question.
Done, teacher.
And fourth question.
Done, teacher.
Last question.
Done, teacher.
Okay, very good. Pass it in front, class. Teacher will be the one to check it. Check it, okay?
Yes,
Am I
teacher.
clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Good job, class. Now, get your assignment notebook and copy this one. But before that, please read your directions first.
Fill in the table below with correct information. Write your answers in a short bond paper. Pass it in our next meeting.
Okay, copy this one in your assignment notebook.
Done, teacher.
Write it in a short bond paper. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Goodbye.